Welcome to Vishwa Kannada Shale. Today we will learn some conversations which will be helpful for kids when they visit India. You can also practice along with me. Try to answer the questions in Kannada. My name is Bindu. What is your name? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಿಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? My mother's name is Nadinakshamma. What is your mother's name? ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷಮ್ಮ. ನಿನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? My father's name is ಪಾಲಾಕ್ಷಪ್ಪ. What is your father's name? ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಪಾಲಾಕ್ಷಪ್ಪ. ನಿನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? What is your elder brother's name? ನಿನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಹೆಸರು ರವೀಂದ್ರ. What is your younger brother's name? ನಿನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? What are your friends' names? ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Thank you very much. I hope you practiced. You can replay and practice the question and answers. We will come back with more such examples.